It's time for another unboxing video. These are companies that sent me really cool items to check out. Shout out to Tulip for sending these beautiful fabric marker sets, and I have a video coming up of showing a really fun way to use these. Deco Art sent me their whole line of thrift flip textile. These are fabric paints. So you know the video that I did where I painted the shirt for the upcoming retreat that we still have a few spots left for? Anyways, I use these fabric paints to paint on the shirt. It's really important to use fabric paint when you're painting on fabric, not acrylic craft paint, because the craft paint will crack. This paint is flexible. It will dry soft and move with the fabric. Subtle Beauty. This is a whole makeup set in this little stack like this. My friend Nadia, who is a makeup artist, came over and showed me how to use this.
I'm just gonna put in like your cheeks and always go up. You don't want to go down front because you think about it, you want to lift your face up.
I love this because I can take it with me when I travel, or if I'm doing a workshop or a TV appearance, I can just throw it in my purse and it's so easy. Next we have Sisabo Kids. I love this brand. It is from Michael from Millennial Loteria. He comes up with the cutest products for toddlers to help teach them Spanish. So this is a flashcard set. This is a Spanish-English sticker set. So it has like a little laminated background, and then they can mix and match the stickers to tell a story while also learning Spanish. The same publisher that published the Sisabo Kids line also sent me this coloring book for adults. It's called Embrace the Beauty. Finish coloring it and you can actually pull out the page and hang it up, frame it. Rizzo's Curls. They sent me Stronghold Gel, like a little travel set, a bunch of goodies. I can vouch for them. Look at these curls. And this is using Rizzo's Curls products.